Hey, what's up guys, it's Fisayo here, and I got a chance to head over to the Camon CM launch which held at Ikeja City Mall, and that's thanks to the guys at TECNO for inviting me. It was quite an experience. I got a little hands-on session with the Camon CM. The Camon CM is a continuation of the Camon series lineup, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a few highlights, and after that I'll walk you through my first impressions, and without further ado, let's get to the video. I'll start with the highlights of this phone, and undoubtedly for me and for many others is the screen, with the main feature being the 18:9 aspect ratio, which TECNO is very proud to show off. The Camon CM comes with a 5.7-inch LCD display with a resolution of 1440x720p, which TECNO dubs HD+, and the screen was also okay to look at. As far as build quality goes, the phone felt very light in the hand, and right there and then at the event was when I actually tweeted this, that it was very light indeed compared to many of the devices I've held previously. It's also sporting a 2.5D Gorilla Glass screen, which would help durability. It's quite the slim phone at 5.6mm despite packing a 3000 mAh battery. On the right side of the phone we have the volume rockers and the power button, and on the left side we have the SIM and micro SD card slot. On the bottom of the phone we have the USB 2.0 port and speaker grills, while on the top we have the headphone jack. TECNO talks about how they had over 1,000 engineers working on this device for over 15 months with 50 partners, and I can't wait to get my hands on it for the full review. Also, they talked about a feature called the real split screen, which is more like multitasking on your Android, but it's supposed to be more intuitive, and we'll be testing that out as well. The Camon CX is clocked at 1.3 GHz on the MediaTek processor, and it's got 4G enabled, which is nice, but it still has a 16GB ROM and 2GB RAM, which could have been better in my opinion, but it's kind of worth it for the price. And it also runs on Android 7.0 Nougat, which is pretty much the norm these days, and we'll have to wait to see if it's upgradable to the 8. On the back of the phone we have a 13 megapixel camera with quad flash and fingerprint scanner, which also serves as the fast shutter, and on the front of the phone we have another 13 megapixel camera with flash and notification LED as well. I didn't get to play with the camera much, but that's something I'd want to explore in my full review, so please subscribe if you want to see that as well. And while I'll be rounding up my first impressions will have to be the price. I wasn't the only one that was shocked when we saw 47,000 naira on display, and yeah, even though I don't want to jump into conclusions right now, I think this phone might be worth it, but I have to wait to test it out for the full review. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please like and share, and also subscribe to my channel so you'll be the first person to see the review video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.